be making my headdress while I'm waiting for my mom. Okay. So, I'm preparing the glue gun. Actually, I already did my headdress, but I'm just gonna like, maglalagay pa ako ng, eto, nagpa-print ako guys. Canada. Since our headdress is based on the Canada religion, Canada, Philippine for the national Philippines. This is my headdress. This thing, you put it on. Yeah, take off my shock because it might end. Like this, and there's like this. There. Our theme is Canada and it's supposed to be recyclable. So, yeah. Wait, I'm gonna get the scissors. Got it. Let's suck the glue gun. Okay. So my mom said to try the small one first if I want the like food. Right. I'm just thinking if I should like add this. Or hello, making my headdress na. Malapit na kasi yung due natin. Tapos lagay natin dito. Okay ba yun? Thank you! Hindi ako ma-happy. Gumagawa ng headdress. Hello! Hi, Akira. I'm making my headdress. I'm making my headdress. Wait, what? I still haven't planned anything. Oh my god. Okay, I have planned it. Wait. Okay.